On today's episode of the South Texas Skillet, we're going to make cast iron skillet cornbread. This is a super simple recipe and it's quick and easy to make. So you're going to start with about 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to put this in your cast iron skillet and you're going to put the skillet in a preheated oven at 425 to heat up while you mix your ingredients. In a bowl, you're going to mix 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, 3/4 cup of sugar. You can use less sugar if you wanted to. My family likes sweet cornbread, so this is what we're going to have. 1 teaspoon of salt and 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, not baking soda. Whisk this together. Okay, you're going to take 1 cup of milk, add 1 egg, whisk that together, then add 1/3 cup of melted butter. Alright, to the dry ingredients, you're going to add in your milk and egg mixture. Mix this well. Do not overmix. You're going to take your skillet out of the oven. The butter should be melted. Mine started to brown a little bit. That's okay. I'm going to take my batter and pour it straight into the pan. Be very careful because the skillet is hot. You're going to see some of the butter comes up over the edges, and that's perfectly fine. That's going to create a nice brown crust around the edge. Stick this hot skillet back into the oven and cook for about 20 minutes until it is golden brown on top and a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. This is a quick and easy recipe that comes together in only a few minutes. We love to eat this recipe with some chili or some collard greens or anything that you can make that's going to have some sort of soupy base to it where you can use the cornbread to sop it up. It is absolutely delicious and I really hope you give it a try. Please like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Thank you.